Dear students, welcome to our Blackboard channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about the 10th class Chapter 3, Acid, Bases and Salts, part 11, Importance of pH in everyday life. pH is important in our day-to-day life. Let us start with the pH sensitivity of plants and animals. Living organisms can survive only in a narrow range of pH change. When pH of rainwater is less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. When acid rain flows into the rivers, it lowers the pH of the river water. That means acidity increases. The survival of aquatic life in such rivers becomes difficult. pH change also cause of tooth decay. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5. Tooth enamel made of calcium phosphate, which is the hardest substance in the body. It does not dissolve in water but is corroded when the pH in the mouth is below 5.5. Bacteria present in the mouth produce acid by degradation of sugar and food particles remaining in the mouth. The best way to prevent this is to clean the mouth after eating food. Using toothpaste, which are generally basic, neutralize the excess acid and prevent tooth decay. Now let us see what is the importance of pH in our digestive system. You know that our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, which helps in the digestion of food without harming the stomach. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid and this causes pain and irritation. The stomach's resting pH level is about 4 or 5. When we eat heavy food, when it reaches the pH level drops 1 or 2. After a high protein meal, the stomach's pH level may drop to 1 or 2. In general, our stomach's resting pH is about 4 or 5. To get rid of this pain, people use bases called antacids. These antacids neutralize the excess acid in the stomach. Magnesium hydroxide, which is also called as milk of magnesia, a mild base, is often used for this purpose. In medical shop we can find this antacids in the name of Eno and some other etc. Now let us see the pH of soil, how to test the pH of soil. Plants require a specific pH range for their healthy growth. To find out the pH required for the healthy growth of a plant, we need to collect the soil from various places and check the pH. For that, take 2 grams of soil in a test tube, which soil you want to test it, and add 5 ml water to it. Now shake the content of test tube, filter the contents and collect the filtrate in a test tube. Now Check the pH of this filtrate with the help of universal indicator paper or universal indicator solution. Under what soil conditions a farmer would treat the soil of this field with quicklime or calcium carbonate? Self-defense by animals. pH is also important for the animals for their self-defense. A bee sting leaves an acid is called methanoic acid, which causes pain and irritation. So to get rid of that pain, we need to use a mild base like baking soda on the stung area to get relief. Now, self-defense by plants through chemical warfare. Stinging hair of leaves of nettle plant injects methanoic acid, or also called as formic acid, which causes pain. You can see the nettle plant, dog plant leaves here. So a traditional remedy is rubbing the area with the leaf of dog plant, which often grows beside the nettle in the world. So in this way, the pH is very important in our day-to-day life, and animals and plants protect themselves by excreting some kinds of acids. So these are the importance of pH in our daily life. I hope you have understood this concept. In next session, we are going to discuss about common salt, a raw material for chemicals. Thank you. Have a nice day.